Yeah, it's Tim's Health Kitchen coming straight at you. Actually was forced to drink a shed load of ale last night, and then today got to go up flipping Snowdon. So anyway, gonna keep you informed. Let's have it. Yeah, Mum. On the way to Snowdon, and I think Big Lad has gone to sleep. Can't keep up with the pace. There he is, Big Lad. Well, we're here anyway. Well, we're nearly here. We went up to the car park. Can't park, so we were down at the bottom of the hill, 3 miles away. Gonna have to get the bus. Dave's having a hissy fit, but let's have it. Let's go. Yeah. Well, we're here.
Tim's Health Kitchen coming at you.
We had to get the bus. Got it. 3 miles up the hill, but yeah, we're here. What did you say, Jamie?
Give me strength.
Let's have it.
Just at the start of the walk, just got God knows 100 metres up or something, if that. Look at that view. Absolutely awesome. What a beautiful day. Very, very lucky to get a day like this in Snowdonia. You know, it's like Welsh Wales, capital of rain. Normally it just pisses it down around here, so yeah, very lucky. See you soon.
Bottle at the top, Jay.
David, are you complaining already?
No, I'm not complaining.
Are you sure?
Complain. You're the one who complains.
I'm not complaining. Are you complaining, David?
We'll see where we all are, Tim, in an hour's time. And you're crying about your feet because your joints are worn out and your knees a bit swollen. You don't do any endurance training, so.
Yeah, right. Okay, David. Yeah, it must be about 1/3 of the way up. Heart rate monitor is showing 127 beats per minute. I've been doing the deep breathing, deep diaphragmatic breathing all the way up. Dave is actually complaining, saying the breathing is too loud. Will I shut up? Anyway, let's go. Yeah.
Oh my God! Just come around the corner, rugby style, and that is what you get greeted with. Unbelievable! Just look at that. How flipping stunning is that? Unreal. Let's have it.
Still going. Still doing deep breathing. Deep diaphragmatic breathing. Still annoying, Dave. Heart rate 127. Couldn't have got a better day. Absolutely glorious. Look at this. Yeah, man.
Right, try and get a bit of a pace on here now. Need a bit of running down these rocks. Let's go. Woohoo! Trying to film and flipping see where I'm going at the same time. Trying not to break an ankle. I'm doing some deep breathing. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, man. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's go. Woo! Dave here getting a bit of a pace on. Go it, lad. It's Jamie. Going for it. Come on now, Jamie.
Nothing but fucking water for 2 weeks.
Come on, doing well. Yeah. Oh my God, there is actually someone swimming in the lake, right in the middle of the lake.
I think you're allowed to do that. Drinking water, innit?
Yeah, you're gonna have to get down there, get in the lake. Let's go. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Just look at all that. Absolutely amazing. Jamie's down there in his white t-shirt. He's doing really well. He's just on his phone now, probably to his missus. But yeah, been deep breathing all the way up, keeping the blood well and truly saturated with oxygen. Gives you a great big advantage. Not crashed once, and absolutely loving it basically. Probably about half a mile to go. Let's have it. Let's go. Yeah. Whew. Has all of a sudden got quite a little bit more difficult, and legs are going a bit jelly. Still not crashed though. Still feel blood oxygen is quite good, but I am starting to suffer a bit. It is flipping steep. Look at that view, you. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Yeah. So yeah, get up to the top, and this is what you get presented with. Unbelievable. Look at that. Not far to go now. The summit is just up there. Let's see what side of the mountain for you. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely beautiful little breeze. Down after so this is it. Last few steps to the summit. Lovely breeze coming. I'm doing it bare top, so I'm building up a bit of cold resilience while I'm at it. Woo! Squeeze through those people here.
Where are you?
Here.
I can't.
Yeah!
Everybody smile.
So this is Tim's Old Kitchen at the top of Snowdon. 1 kilometre up. Let's have it. Yay! Right, down at the lake. Checking my blood sugars all day. They've been about 7.8, 7.7. I had a 4.1 at the top, so just missed the hypo. Caught it just in time. Had a bit to eat at the top, and I've come back down and checked my blood sugars again. They were 11.2, so I took 3 units of insulin with that, which should last me till I get to the car. Heart rate is 126 at this moment, 19,228 steps, and my breathing, my blood oxygen feels really good. Not been breathing that much on the way down, nowhere near as much as was on the way up. Just been chilling out, relaxing really, but here we am at the lake. I've had to put my boots on because I'm just going to get them wet, I don't really care. I've got some other shoes in the car. There's Dave in his undies, yay! So I'm just going to get wet, so what? Anyway, I'm going to go in now and get filming it. So it's going to be fucking cold, but it's not going to be as cold as my cold freezer plunge yesterday. Ah, mate, it's freaking cold. Flipping deep as well, I don't want to wreck my foam. Woo! But yeah, the benefits of this, obviously it's mountainous water, so there's no runoffs or pollution, anything going into this water. So absolutely clean as anything. There's nothing better than this water, nothing cleaner than this water. This is going to be one of the cleanest waters on the planet, yeah. Absolutely full of minerals, because it will absorb all the minerals out the rocks. So it's just really, really good for you. If you ever near a lake like this, getting it, you know, absorb the minerals, makes you strong, makes you happy, makes you healthy. Let's have it. Right, finished the walk. Absolutely waxed out. You can even feel salt on my skin. Having a beer. Cheers. That's it. Tim's Elf Kitchen. Ah!